Welcome to another episode of Fuzzboo. So today we built this really cool 5-level Hot Wheels garage. And as you can see, it's got plenty of parking for all your Hot Wheels cars and multiple levels, multiple ramps. So let's get to building. So yeah, as you can see, you can store quite a few cars in this garage on all the 5 different levels, and it's got ramps to go up and down. So you'll be having fun with this thing for quite some time. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to see more cool stuff, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.